Welcome. Today we will make a borderline and title block. First, prepare your materials: bond paper, masking tape, ruler, pencil. Don't forget your eraser. Secure your paper on the sides using the masking tape. Measure 1 centimeter in your ruler. Make sure to start from 0. Do the same thing on both sides and connect it with a straight line. For the borderline on the left, right, and bottom, measure 0.5 centimeters. Connect all sides with a straight line. For the title block, measure 2 centimeters at the bottom on the left and right corners. Connect all sides with a straight line. The space for drawing number and rating measures 2 centimeters. The space for the name and date measures 7 centimeters. Divide the space for the name and date from top to bottom into 1 centimeter. Your final output must look something like this. Now you're ready to start your drawing.